everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have the Potomac Beads Treasure subscription box for July of 2023. This is formerly the regular box. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. Stash beads may include a new collection each month. Same product in multiple colorways. There's 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. The premium stash beads can be anything from crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, etc. It's beginner friendly, and past boxes will become available a la carte after several months. The price is $39.99 a month. If you do it quarterly, it's $34.99 a month, and so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99 a month, so you save $120 a year. And it's such a beautiful box. I've been really happy with everything I've received from them. So let's open this up. I did take a little peek because, you know, I'm like a kid in a candy store with my beads. So this month is Gilded Glamour Treasure subscription. Step into the realm of Gilded Glamour where opalescence, oh my God, I can't talk today. Opulence. Oh my gosh. Okay, meets sophistication. This enchanting collection showcases a harmonious blend of rich scarlet hues, lustrous silver accents, and touches of gilded luxury, inviting you to create jewelry pieces of timeless beauty. And these are all of them. So look at these. Oh, I love the red. Oh, look at these beauties. Oh, look at these. Milky seed beads. Oh, we're gonna have some fun. I don't know if you saw my last month's tutorial. I did the necklace and it turned out so pretty, and they sent us Czech glass flowers, Czech glass leaf beads, and I tied for them together so they spread out. And then I put them in as spacers in between the wood beads that we received. And I loved the way that turned out. A lot of people, you know, made comments how much they liked it. So go check out that video. I will leave the link below. So, yeah. So let me get all of this set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so get a couple of these here. So we're starting off with the curved tube beads. These are premium 99.9% pure silver plated brass, pack of 20, 10 by 2 millimeter. Oh, these are really pretty. I did a while ago, I took one of these and I put it at the bottom and I made like these hoop earrings. And I love the way they turned out. I think I did a tutorial on it, but it might have been like a year ago. But I'm gonna have to, might think of doing something like that with these. So these are really pretty. So number 2 is a Clasp Garden Clasp. So this is it. You press that, it opens up. And you take it out like that. It's a nice clasp. Very pretty. Next is Czech Paisley Discs Metallic Vitriol. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8 of them. These are pretty. These make really pretty earrings because when you are wearing them and they see all that shimmer on there and you're moving around, especially if you have like hair color that's like, you know, this would stand out from. They're really pretty because, you know, as your head is moving, people will be attracted to the beads. Look at how pretty they are. Oh, these are just gorgeous. I love these beads. Next is Czech glass 3 millimeter round bead. Oh, look at these. Pretty. Crystal Maria. They have the little sparkles, little AB finish on some of them, just on little parts of them. Very pretty. Next is the Lobster Figure 8, class 19mm premium, 24 karat gold plating. Oh, this is really cute. Isn't that cute? This would be pretty if you wanted to make a necklace and put this in the front, just, you know, to do something, you know, different with your necklace. You don't have to have it in the back. It looks like a pendant itself. These are really cool. Potomac Crystal Devoted Heart, CS Sphinx. Catches eye Potomac Crystal. Okay, a package of 4. 13 by 17 millimeters. Oh, look at these. So that's the back. And that's the front. Look how pretty these are. Looks like I'm losing light here. I can't really tell. Hold on one second. Let me adjust my lighting a little better. Okay. So pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay. Next is Geometrical Design strands. Jet matte added geometric design 1 strand. Oh, really pretty. I like the texture of the circles on there. So cool. Love this. Okay, so next are the Potomac Crystal Rondells Dark Garnet AB 3 by 4 millimeter. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at those. Oh. Look at that sparkle. So pretty. I feel like I'm losing light. I can kind of see a little bit of the video as I'm filming it. No, it's just me being paranoid. Okay, next is the Potomac Pearls 6 millimeter in cranberry. Oh, these are pretty. This is very like Thanksgiving, Christmassy kind of, you know, like the rich colors. These are just gorgeous. Dark garnet. Look at that. You could actually just take this strand and make yourself a little bracelet if needed. I'm going to have fun with this box. Oh, so pretty. Next, oh, these are pretty. Potomac Crystal Disco Balls. Crystal Labrador Silver 6 millimeter, 96 facets. Oh. Look how pretty. Oh, gorgeous. That sparkle. Sorry, I still keep thinking my thing is getting dark. I think it's just me. Okay, next, but not, let me see. Poppy Jasper round 4 millimeter beads. These are the gemstones. Oh, look at these. Look at all the color in these. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I love all the texture and the dimensions and the color on these. See that? Oh, so pretty. Next is Czech Glass Round 3 millimeter light topaz. Oh, look at these, how pretty these are. Such a pretty color. Okay. And next, chocolate stones are the Milky seed beads, Duracoat galvanized 11 O's. I'm not going to open these because you know what these look like. So pretty. Really pretty color. Oh, just what a fun box. Next is Czech faceted round beads in Aztec gold. Oh, I thought these were fire polish beads. They look more like fire polish than round this time. Let me see that. Oh, no, I guess they are round. Look how pretty those are. I love all the sparkle in this box. Okay. Next is Czech Saucer Rondelle beads. This is Opaq, 2.5 by 6 millimeter, but this is OPAQ. I don't know what that stands for, but these are like scarlet red, if you ask me. So that was a name for something. Look how pretty these are. How pretty. Cannot wait to work with these. Love all the color in this box. Maybe open this up. Oh. Okay. And next is Nugget Beads Jet Topaz Swirl AB 4 to 6 millimeters. These are really cool. Oh, these have I love the finish on these. Hold them in here because I'm left-handed. You see that? The difference in the finish? I'm trying to see if I'm holding it up. Yeah, it's almost like a druzy effect. See how there's little sparkles? Like, oh, these are so pretty. They're kind of rugged and rustic looking. I think it's because they're nugget shaped. So pretty. And last but not least, the Crystal Bicone beads in Black Diamond. Oh, these are pretty. They're kind of more of a translucent black. They're not like black, so they're pretty. They give a different hue to the other beads. Well, I will say I'm very happy with this month's box. Such pretty colors and textures. And it's kind of like everything like matches, but yet then there's some little like odds and ends in there, which are so much fun because you can like take one and add it with another. You can do so much with these beads. These are so gorgeous. I love these. Yes, I'm really happy with this month's box. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I will leave a link below to their website. You can click on it if you want to check it out. And I will be doing a tutorial in the next week or so with these. Hopefully, I might get 2 tutorials in. It depends how the month goes. So you can follow me. I have all of my social media below, my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest page. And I will leave a link below to that video of that necklace that I made from last month. So let me know down in the comments what you think of this box, if you get it, and if you do, how you like it and everything. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.